All right, listen up. You ready for some real crypto talk today? Because we got some wild stuff happening. First off, let's talk about Brazil. Yeah, that's right, Brazil. Their tax man is sniffing around, looking to slap a tax on your cross-border crypto transactions. What does that mean? Basically, if you're moving your digital cash in and out of the country, they want a piece of that action. It's a sign that governments worldwide are trying to figure out how to regulate and tax this new digital economy. This could make things a little trickier, maybe a bit more expensive for folks doing business or just moving their assets internationally. Keep an eye on this one, because where Brazil goes, others might follow. Now, on to some seriously bullish news. We're talking institutional money flowing into altcoins big time. Grayscale, one of the biggest names in crypto asset management, is reportedly gearing up to launch a Dogecoin ETF. Can you believe it? Dogecoin, the meme coin, potentially getting its own exchange-traded fund. So what's an ETF, you ask? Simple. An ETF is like a special investment fund that holds an asset, in this case, Dogecoin. You can buy and sell shares of this fund on a regular stock exchange, just like you would with shares of Apple or Tesla. It makes it super easy for big investors and even regular people to get exposure to Dogecoin without actually having to buy and store the coins themselves. This is a massive step for Dogecoin's legitimacy and accessibility. And get this, while Grayscale is prepping for Doge, VanEck, another major player, has already launched a Solana ETF. Not only that, but they're doing it with zero sponsor fees. Zero. That's a game changer. It means investors can get exposure to Solana through a regulated product without paying ongoing management fees. This is a clear signal that the institutional world isn't just focused on Bitcoin and Ethereum anymore. Solana is a serious contender, and these zero-fee products are going to shake up the market, bringing more capital and liquidity into the altcoin space. This is huge for the entire crypto ecosystem. It shows we're moving beyond the early adopter phase and into mainstream adoption, with regulated products making it easier for everyone to participate. This is not financial advice, folks, just keeping you in the loop on what's shaking in the market. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.